Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 3.4, that is a reverse string, and in this you have to write a function that reverses a string, and the input string is given as an array of characters s, and we have to do by modifying the input array in this. That means we don't have to consume any extra memory. Okay, and for example we are given the string hello, so we have to just reverse it, so OLLEH would be our output, and we have to maintain like h capital H and small h in different ways. Okay, so for this, what we'll be doing is we'll be having two pointers. Let's say left equal to 0 and my right pointer will be at the s dot length, length minus 1. Okay, and then again a while loop, that while left is less than right. What I'll be doing is I'll be having my char temp, so that will be equal to s of left, and then I'll be updating my s of left. I'm making too many errors today. Okay, s of right, and then my s of right will be equal to s of will be equal to temp, then left plus plus, else, and also right minus minus. Okay, and now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was tutorial. Thank you for watching.